Hello friends, let's learn how to solve multiplication with two-digit numbers in just 5 seconds. We solve some examples. 73 cross 46. Step 1, 73 cross 4 is equal to, and 7 4s are 28. 3 4s are 12. So 8 plus 1. Answer is 292. And step 2, 73 cross 6. 7 cross 6 is equal to 42. 3 cross 6 is equal to 18. So 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 3, 8. Step 3, we will addition of step 1 and step 2. 292 plus 4, 3, 8. 8, 2 plus 3, 5. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. Answer is 358. Is 73 cross 46. 84 cross 2, 3. Step 1 is equal to 84 cross 2. 8 cross 2, 16. 4 cross 2, 0, 8. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 168 is answer. Step 2, 8 4 cross 3. 8 cross 3 is equal to 24. 4 cross 3 is equal to 12. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 252. Step 3, addition of step 1 and step 2. 168 plus 252. 2. 8 plus 5. 3. 1 carry. 6 plus 2 plus 1, 9. And 1. Answer is 1932. If you learn something new, then like, share and subscribe.